Hello and welcome to a new episode of How Much Does It Weigh? Today we will be weighing this. It is a Fidget Cube, one of the big selling toys of 2017. Okay, so it weighs 1 ounce, interestingly enough, and 30 grams. And yes, I am aware that it went up to 1.1, so 1.1 ounce and 30 grams. Okay, so I would invite you to go to my channel and check out some of the other How Much Does It Weigh videos that I have. This is an ongoing series. It's an entire playlist on my channel where you can just see how much things weigh. I really hope to help you out on something for any sort of weight of any object that you may need to know how much it weighs. That's why I do this. I want to help you out with something. So, I'll see you next time on How Much Does It Weigh?